first full park day. We're here at Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
We just got dropped off by our Uber. We're gonna go through.
Mickey themed outfit on.
Oh yeah, styling.
Style. Oh, also if anybody buys this purse, I extended it using like the little hand held thing.
There you go.
There was like a handheld thing, so I just extended it by that because it was a little short. So
we are going through the temperature screening and then on into the park. And Chloe's got news.
yeah, we got boarding pass this morning.
Yep.
I did not think I was gonna get one. I did all the tips and tricks and we got group 51, I think, which for us was good. I didn't want an early one. We wanted more time to get here, so that was perfect.
Yep.
Let's go in.
Let's go, because we might be getting some rain here, and we're hopeful. Fingers crossed we don't, but the skies are pretty dark.
Passed, but we'll see.
So we were able to get one.
We have a boarding pass.
Yep. Made it to our first park.
Yeah, and our magic bands worked.
Yep. Yeah, I had no clue if this one was gonna work.
Yeah, this is an old gray one for Dan. I didn't even think about getting magic bands this trip. I don't know why, but
Yeah, that's all right. This works.
I obviously have my new one.
Yeah. Let's see yours.
Pink and sparkly, and then I have my little charm.
It's like it almost matches your outfit.
It's like kind of like that was the plan.
Kind of like it. Nice breeze, but like I said, there was a really dark cloud. Oh, they're that way. The dark clouds are that way. So let's hope they miss us. We might get
Looks
lucky.
like it might be going that way.
I know, we might get lucky.
I want to do a photo pass.
Okay.
I think our boarding pass is still about 25 minutes out. So what do you want to do?
Well, definitely we should head over that way.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think that's already about, what, a 10-minute
Let's
walk?
check it. So we're 51, and it's up to 42. So this is about 40 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, we can still head over that
Yeah.
way, so we're in the... I'd rather not get
I think I want a couple more pictures before that. I think that storm's coming this way.
Yeah.
Well, we got our pictures, hopefully before those storms come this way. Hopefully they don't. But now I think we're gonna head over to Galaxy's Edge. Right? Go to Galaxy's Edge?
Yep. Just did some photo pass photos.
That's what I said. I said before that came.
Yeah.
That's intense.
Yeah, we could get wet.
Yeah. Going to
Yeah,
get wet.
It's coming right this way right now.
Oh, no. Okay, let's go this way. As we were walking over to Galaxy's Edge, the rain started coming in. So we decided, yeah, it's not too bad yet, but we decided we're gonna do pizza rizzo and have lunch before our thing comes up and before everybody tries to find cover. So
Yeah, because the rain's only projected for the early hours, so we should be pretty good if we can eat now, beat the rain, it passes, we should be good to go.
yeah, and we like pizza rizzo, so it's not like a bad choice for us. It seemed like most places had availability for like now through 11:40, so it was a little better than when we came in December.
Yeah.
But I'm excited. I like pizza.
No, absolutely. And the rain's kind of welcome because it felt really good. But
Yeah, it kind of felt like you're walking like a
much.
gentle sprinkler. It was good.
Yeah. So
But
where we're headed.
still raining. Ah, it's raining! We're going. Lunchtime. Got 2 cheese pizzas, Caesar salads, and Dan, of course, got a Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Yep. And I got a Diet Coke.
Yeah. It's
Bon appetit.
Really quiet in here, and looks like everybody outside is seeking shelter, so that rain must be coming through.
Yeah, it looks like it's raining. Oh, that's fine. I don't know.
Still raining a little bit.
They were ponchos, so.
Our boarding pass hasn't been called yet, so we might as well sit in here and enjoy our meal.
Yeah, they're still on 48, and we're 51.
Oh yeah. Now boarding 34 to 48 for 51. So this is perfect. The timing might be great. We'll eat. We'll enjoy our food. Head over that way.
I'm really annoyed if we got a lower boarding pass.
Yeah, no, I like the later ones because we're late people. Cheers. Cheers to you. You can't really see it, but it's really raining out there. It's kind of like, yeah. We made it just in time. Oh, it's getting worse.
We had a great lunch at Pizza Rizzo's.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And it's not raining anymore.
And fingers crossed, there's no more rain in the forecast for the rest of the day.
Yeah, hopefully not.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, timing should have been perfect. And our boarding group got called while we were in there, but we waited a little bit longer because it was still raining at the time. But now we're gonna head over. You get an hour to return with your boarding pass.
Yep.
So, let's go.
Right around the corner.
Yep. The other benefits of eating at Pizza Rizzo's.
Yeah.
I know what our daily update should be.
What's that?
We'll stand in Galaxy's Edge and we'll say we just had lunch at Pizza Rizzo's and now we're going on Rise of Resistance.
Okay. See how long it takes. It's usually quite a while, but nothing too crazy. I said usually it's quite a while. Like,
yeah.
I mean, last time we got halfway through the line and then.
I know. I hope that doesn't happen again.
Yeah. We'll see.
Editing our update. Hello, Doc.
I can't fit on the dock. You're on the dock.
I'm Doc.
It's so good to be out of the heat.
I know. What door do you think is going to open?
Green quadrant first, green first, silver followed green.
What, yellow?
Incoming transmission from Ray.
I don't know what to do.
30 seconds. Choose a line. Red 2, blue 5. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, under a small craft heading our way, raise the shields. We got company, first order TIE fighters. We will.
Attention resistance lines. Your transport is out of the hands of the First Order. You will all disembark immediately and head down the corridor for interrogation. Everybody off the ship now.
weakest of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance.
We're trying to finish this personally. Eyes your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. And if we're out, who picked these two droids anyway?
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scaffrey spot beacon.
So we just got off Rise of the Resistance. It was so much fun.
Yeah, it was awesome.
And honestly, so the ride broke down when we were in line. Like we had just gotten onto the Star Destroyer or whatever.
I probably jinxed it when I said it earlier, so.
Yeah, we were like, oh, we're gonna make it. No, we didn't.
We were so close.
And so many people were hopping out of line, and we were like, no, we'll just wait. Because I mean, we were at the point where we had already done a lot of like the ride queue stuff where it's part of the
Yeah,
ride.
we were just about to board.
And they were kind of saying like 20, 25 minutes. I don't even think it was that long
No, not
from when they said that. So it would have taken us longer if we would have gotten out of line, gotten a return fast pass to go back on again. So we
Then you don't
waited,
worry about it.
and because it shut down, I think they reset all of the elements. So like the part where Kylo Ren gets sucked out, I've never had so much gust of wind.
Yeah.
Like that was really cool. I don't think we've ever actually had that
We were
effect.
even behind a thing.
A plexiglass, yeah. So that was cool. That was the only thing that stung because last time we were in the front row, but we've gone on it so many times. I think the people in front of us, that was their first time, so I was happy to let
Oh,
them.
of course. Still
Let's
super
say-
enjoyable.
Yeah, super fun.